Hello, I'm going to show you how to get into IXL so that you can do some math at home. Start by typing in IXL in the URL bar and use the paper to help you log in. You can click the Remember button to help your computer remember your sign-in information. Once you sign in, then it's going to give you some recommended tasks that you can do, or if you click the math bar, come over here and you can do second grade or third grade, depending on which grade you're in. Second graders, you should probably stay with second grade. Third graders, you could do second or third to begin with as you build fluency. Then come over here, look for some of them that have stars. If you hover over it, it will give some examples of what they look like. Once you're ready to go with that one, you can click in there and begin your work. So in this one it says, what is the digit 6? The 6 is in the hundreds place. I'm going to click 100 and submit. And when I look over here, I see my SMART score. I'm trying to get to 100 on my SMART score. Alright, I get to it. I hope that you enjoy using IXL this year. It's going to grow your brain.